This project will take no time to make and be a perfect addition to those plain art trays. To make your own, you need colorful vinyl adhesive or water bottle caps, your cutting machine, and tools. You also need a blank, solid color kids lap tray. I purchased this one from Michael's for only $5. I cut out and added a checkerboard and tic-tac-toe board. I also added her name and a butterfly. To make the game pieces, I cut 1-inch circles and applied them to the bottle caps. This would also make for a wonderful gift. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.